My name is Neeraj, and I'm a growth engineer at Pinterest. My favorite thing about fall is definitely the colors.
My name is Matt, and I'm a growth engineer at Pinterest. As a native Floridian, I actually don't know that much about fall.
So today you're going to be making a pumpkin spice latte.
Ooh, okay. I like that.
I'm not actually a big coffee drinker. I prefer teas.
I worked as a barista for about 3 years. I'm gonna do fantastic today.
All right, let's start cracking. Using a high-speed blender, add the ingredients in the following orders. Half teaspoon pumpkin pie spice.
2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree.
I've yet to have
All
any
my
caffeine
actions.
this morning, so I will get a pick-me-up from this.
How are you functioning?
We're gonna add in a lot of sugar.
1.5 tablespoons.
1 tablespoon vanilla extract. I have this tendency to smell ingredients as I pour them in. No reason.
All right.
Smells like milk, can confirm. All right, 2 cups milk. Things they don't teach you in college, how to pour milk into a bowl properly.
I don't know, I think a mess is a good sign.
Wow, I feel so inadequate watching your milk pouring skills.
The key is to do it slowly.
Thanks for the advice, Matt, I appreciate it. I feel so much better now. The most important step, making sure the blender lid is on properly.
Oh, that smells great.
Smell,
All right,
I love
I'm really
it. You got the
excited.
smell going. Pour the hot coffee in the blender and blend again.
I already
You cut
know
your
it's
offshoot there.
gonna do this wrong, but oh, this looks so good.
Thank you.
Pumpkin spice and 1 bit of star anise. This is so cute.
Do you guys want to try each other's?
There you
There you
go.
go.
I like that.
Yours has a nice mix of flavors.
Yours has a bit more coffee, which I appreciate because I am more of the coffee drinker.
That just means I messed up the mixing part.
No, I think you found something.
Happy pumpkin spice latte season.